This is my third video about Crunchlabs. I get a box every month and I make a machine. I will share with you the physics and science I learned from it. The machine for this month is a tripwire. Now I will open the box. Here are the instructions and here are the pieces. These are all the pieces. I will build it now. It's done. This is the tripwire. There are 2 pairs of kickers and each launch 2 balls. The kickers can rotate on the dowel. These rubber bands want to pull the kickers towards the holes. When you pull the kickers back far enough, the line the rubber bands make is on the other side of the dowel, so the rubber bands pull in the other direction and stops the kickers from going back. You put 4 balls in the holes, and the yellow foam keeps them in place. When you pull the string, it pulls the trigger levers and moves the kickers forward a little bit. So the line the rubber band makes is back on this side of the dowel. So it pulls the kickers towards the balls and launches them out. This is the board where you put gear badges on. There are 2 badges from the months before that say flywheel and ratchet. The badge for this month is momentum transfer. Momentum transfer is the main topic for this month. The kicker lever in the tripwire transfers its momentum into the forced balls based on momentum transfer principle. Momentum is the quantity of motion of a moving body, measured as a product of its mass and velocity. Conservation of momentum is a basic principle in physics. It states that the momentum of a system is constant if no external forces are acting on the system. Momentum transfer is when you transfer the momentum of an object to another object. Newton's cradle is a good machine showing conservation of momentum in a system with several balls with the same mass. When you swing 1 ball on a side, 1 ball from the other side swings out. When you swing 2 balls on a side, 2 balls from the other side swing out. In Mark Rober's video, he made a tennis ball bounce really high by placing 1 or 2 larger balls like basketballs or soccer balls under it, like this. The tennis ball bounces really high because the momentum of the basketball is transferred to the tennis ball. The tennis ball is lighter than the basketball, so when momentum is transferred to the tennis ball from the basketball, the tennis ball's velocity is much faster, so it can bounce higher than the basketball and by itself. Momentum transfer is used on a lot of things, like hammers and nails, your foot and soccer balls, billiards, and a lot more. It's really fun. This is my 3rd subscription of Crunchlabs, a tripwire. I hope you learned something about momentum transfer. Please subscribe, like, and share.